Hi, this is Willie, and I'm a certified mortgage planner. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, can you get a gift to purchase when you're using your FHA home loan benefit? The answer to that question is yes, but there's a couple of things you have to remember. The donor, or the person that's giving you the money, has to be a family member, relative, or a close friend. Now, there's a couple of things that they are going to have to do. Number one, they must be able to give proof or provide proof that they had the money to give. Typically, that means we're going to need to get a copy of their bank statement. The next piece is they're going to have to execute a gift letter. Now, lucky for you, there is a standard form that we as the lender can provide to you that the donor has to execute, basically showing that they're going to give you the money. The third piece is we have to get evidence that you received the money. So one, we're either going to have to get your bank statement showing that the money is received and reflected in your balance, or two, they can wire the money directly to the title company at closing so we can close the loop with the paper trail. If you have any additional information on how you can use gift funds to purchase a home, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're happy to help. You be safe and have an awesome day.